This is a tasty, light, delicious dish, tortilla using Albert Bartlett baby potatoes. Wash the baby potatoes and boil in unsalted water for 8 minutes. Drain and set aside to cool a little. Once cooled enough to handle, slice into thick slices. Next, heat the oil in a large frying pan, add the chopped onions and cook until translucent, which will be 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the sliced baby potatoes and mix together to heat through. Meanwhile, beat the eggs in a bowl, add the black pepper and parsley, pour over the potatoes and give it a little shake to settle it down. Cook on a moderate heat. When you can see the outside starting to set, it's time to take off the heat and pop under the grill. So make sure that your pan has an oven-proof handle. Cook for just a few more minutes until you can see the top of the tortilla has cooked. When the tortilla is set, take it out but let it rest for 5 minutes to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Serve a lovely big slice with a green salad. Delicious.